That simple model of the solar system, smash it to smithereens. 8 planets, a handful of pebbles, in a cosmic ocean. The real storm is brewing out there, where invisible giants rule, chaos dances, and trillions of icy bodies roam. This is the wild heart of the solar system. Welcome to Real Adventure and the KAF Space channel. If you enjoy these journeys into the secrets of the cosmos, don't forget to subscribe and be a part of our future discoveries. Beyond Neptune's icy orbit, where the world as we know it ends, first lies the Kuiper Belt, a region of dwarf planets like Pluto and thousands of large and small icy bodies. It stretches between 30 and 55 astronomical units from the Sun. 1 astronomical unit is the distance between the Earth and the Sun, about 150 million kilometers. So even the Kuiper Belt is billions of kilometers away. But wait, this is just the beginning. Beyond the Kuiper Belt, there is an even more disorganized, even more chaotic region, the distributed disk. Here, objects hurled from their orbits by Neptune's powerful gravity are tossed around on a cosmic pool table. Even giants like Eris, the dwarf planet that dethroned Pluto, are residents of this region. Their orbits are so elliptical, so tilted that they sometimes come close to the Sun and then embark on a terrifying journey back into deep space. This region is the wild west of the solar system, but our real target, the real mystery, is far, far beyond even the disorganized disk. Now close your eyes and imagine a gigantic, invisible sphere encircling our solar system. A place of billions, even trillions of icy bodies, a place of darkness and freezing cold, a place where time is frozen. This is the Oort cloud. The distance from the Sun, inconceivable. 2,000 to 200,000 astronomical units. That's almost half the distance to the nearest stars, a distance that would take years to cover even at the speed of light. We're talking 0.03 to 3.2 light years. But have we ever seen this gigantic, ghostly cloud? No, we haven't. Have any spacecraft ever reached it? Absolutely not. Even Voyager 1, mankind's most distant messenger, will have to travel hundreds of years further to reach the inner boundary of the Oort cloud, and by then, it will already be silent. So why are we so sure it exists? The answer lies in the mysterious guests that visit our skies, long-period comets. Short-period comets like Halley usually come from the Kuiper Belt and complete their orbits in relatively short periods of time. But the long-period ones, they are a whole different story. Their orbits can last thousands or even millions of years, and they can come from every corner of the sky, from unimaginable angles. These cosmic nomads, these frozen ghosts, these messengers from the Oort cloud, Dutch astronomer John Oort came up with this idea in the 1950s. He studied the orbits of these comets and said, if they are coming from so far away, at such scattered angles, there must be a huge reservoir at the very edge of the solar system. And he was right. The Oort cloud is named after him. So, what's inside the Oort cloud? Ice, but not the kind we know. Water ice, ammonia, methane, primordial materials from the first formation of the solar system, frozen for billions of years. Objects of all sizes, from tiny pebbles to gigantic mountains many kilometers in diameter. And these objects move from time to time. Maybe due to the gravitational pull of a passing star, maybe due to the tidal forces of our galaxy, or maybe due to a slight imbalance within our own solar system. Whatever the reason, when one of these icy giants in the Oort cloud is dislodged, it begins a deadly journey that will last thousands of years into the inner solar system. And as they approach the Sun, these frozen travelers wake up. Their ice sublimates, releasing spectacular tails of gas and dust. They create a feast in the sky. Remember comet Hale-Bopp, which we watched with the naked eye for months in 1997. With a nucleus 60 kilometers in diameter, it was a gigantic iceberg. Or NEOWISE, which graced our skies during the pandemic in 2020. Coming every 6,800 years, this visitor brought a message from the depths of the Oort cloud. And then there was the unfortunate ISON, which was rumored to be the comet of the century in 2013, but shattered when it got too close to the Sun. These comets are not only beautiful celestial bodies, they are also a warning. The Oort cloud is a giant cosmic armory. Every piece of ice in it is a potential danger. In Earth's geological past, there have been collisions that caused mass extinctions. The most famous was the event that ended the dinosaurs 66 million years ago. While the main suspect is an asteroid, some scientists think that a comet fragment from the Oort cloud may have been responsible for this catastrophe. Samples and simulations from the Chicxulub crater are making this theory stronger and stronger. Impact craters on Earth, from Chicxulub in Mexico to Tunguska in Siberia, are silent but eerie reminders of the times when our planet was hit by objects from space. The structure of the Oort cloud is also interesting. It is thought to consist of two main parts: the Hills cloud, 2,000 to 20,000 astronomical units, a denser disk-shaped inner region, and the sparser, spherical outer Oort cloud, 20,000 to 200,000 astronomical units, which envelops the entire solar system like a shell. The Hills cloud is estimated to host 10 to 100 times more comets than the outer cloud. The distance between neighboring objects in the outer Oort cloud is thought to be about 1 astronomical unit, the distance between the Earth and the Sun. Imagine how rare it is. How did these objects form? About 4.6 billion years ago, when the solar system was forming and the giant planets Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune were settling into their present positions. Their enormous gravity hurled countless icy bodies out of the primordial planetary disk. Some fell into the sun, some collided with planets, but many others were caught by the sun's weak gravity in distant regions, forming the Oort cloud. Some models even suggest that some of the material in this cloud may have been captured from neighboring stars when the sun was young. So the Oort cloud is not only a repository of primordial material from our solar system, it may also contain celestial bodies from beyond our planetary system. So how can we study such a remote and mysterious region? As we said, no spacecraft has ever reached it. Voyager 1 needs more than 500 years just to reach the inner boundary of the Oort cloud, even though it is traveling at about 17 kilometers per second. By the time it gets there, its radioisotope thermoelectric generators will be long gone and its scientific instruments will have shut down. So we won't get any information about the Oort cloud from Voyager 1. This means that even the fastest spacecraft ever built by mankind can't reach this pale wall that surrounds our solar system. But who knows? Maybe in the not-too-distant future, we will be able to build spacecraft or telescopes powerful enough to capture the first images of this outer edge of the solar system. The Oort cloud, the last frontier of our solar system. A hiding place for billions of frozen worlds, gigantic comets, and who knows what other mysteries. It is both a potential source of danger and a time capsule that holds the secrets of the universe and our own origins. When you look up into the night sky, imagine for a moment that beyond those shining stars and planets, a dark and icy world, larger than we can even imagine, surrounds us. The Oort cloud reminds us how big the universe is and how small we are, but also how curious and eager to explore. This huge, invisible sphere is quietly waiting there. Unlocking its secrets may be one of humanity's greatest adventures. We don't know what the future holds, but the mysteries of the Oort cloud will keep scientists and dreamers busy for many years to come. And we at KAF Space will continue to pursue these mysteries and take bold steps into the unknown. If you want to join us on this exciting journey into the secrets of the cosmos, explore the farthest corners of the universe, and never miss any of our future adventures, don't forget to subscribe to the KAF Space channel, turn on the notification bell, and press the like button if you like this video. Join this adventure of discovery with your comments, because this adventure belongs to all of us. See you at the next cosmic stop.